Hi, let's have a look at this question. Here an equation is given, that is derivative of y with respect to t is given as yt. We need to find the solution of given equation. Let's write it by using variable separable method. We will get derivative of y by y, that is equals to t times variation in t, that is dt. Integrating both the sides yields integration of dy by y, that is equals to integration of t times dt. We know integration of dy by y is ln y, that is equals to integration of t times dt is t square by 2 plus c. Now let's rewrite this equation by using exponent, that is e. Exponential power of ln y equals to e power t square by 2 plus c. E power ln y is equals to y, and e power t square by 2 plus c can be written as e power c times e power t square by 2. Here e power c is a constant, so constant times e power t square by 2. So the correct answer is constant times e power t square by 2. Option D is the correct answer.